How to set up an LED bar module with Arduino. In this video, I will use the WisBlock RAK14003 LED bar module. Attach the RAK14003 onto the WisBlock baseboard and core. Connect by USB and open Arduino. Open the WisBlock core RAK4631 board. The RAK14003 is also compatible with the ESP32 and RP2040 boards from the WisCore family. Open your browser and go on to docs.rakwireless.com. Search for 14003. Then go to Quick Start Guide, scroll down to sample code and copy. Go back to Arduino and Control Paste. Then go to Library Manager and install Adafruit MCP23017 library. Go to Tools, Port, COM17, select Save, then Upload. Once uploaded, you can now see the LED bar illuminating from left to right. For more information, please visit the link down below.